Hey guys, just want to show you some great things on the exterior of the new 2457. First is our new Skyview front cap. This is all automotive grade glass that wraps completely up to the top, and it gives you that true sky view on the inside. And when we go in there, you'll see. Some other great things that we want to show you guys is, and what Northern Spirit's really known for, is our camping simplified features. 3/4 inch bit in the pass-through, so that easy accessibility when you get to the campsite, and our fishing pole storage. This is a great place to put all your fishing rods so they're not getting tangled and smashed in the pass-through. Let's move to the side of the unit and talk about some key construction features that Northern Spirit's really known for. For example, our double Asdel layer sidewalls, all aluminum cage construction, tankless water heater that has 2.4 gallons per minute of hot water. You have heated and closed underbelly and spread axle design for that easy towability. Moving to the back of the unit, let's talk about the camp kitchen that the 2457 has to offer. You get a pull-out griddle, you get an outlet for all your charging capabilities, and you also get an outside refrigerator, as well as an exterior dog leash clip. This is another camping simplified feature that really put Northern Spirit on the map. As you can see from the back, I wanted to show you some of the great component features that we offer with backup camera prep, and every ultralight bunk model has what is called our Store More Cargo Center. So it's a rear cargo door that allows you access underneath the bunk bed. The bunk bed does lift up, and you can add things like your kayaks, your bicycles, you can add dog kennels, and any extra accessory you need for your camping adventure. As we move into the inside of the new 2457, I want to show you some really cool key components that really makes this little under 30-foot bunkhouse very popular. For example, is our Store More Cargo, which I just talked about from the outside, but this gives you a nice inside look on this. So you get, with the bunk folded up, it gives you all that extra storage for anything that you want to bring. And then when you get to the campsite and you unload, it's just an easy, quick latch, and the bunk folds down. On the 2457, I want to point out all the great counter space that it offers in the kitchen. You've got a big U-shaped kitchen countertop for extra prep space. You have a bar top area for extra eating and extra sitting, and you also have direct view entertainment. One of the things that Northern Spirit really works hard at is making sure this unit is comfortable even on a rainy day. Moving over to the slide room, you have a nice booth dinette that offers 4 seating area. Includes our pet center. So this is a nice area for your dog bowls. If you do have those pet, it is pet friendly. As well as extra storage underneath the dinette with a bin. A great place to put like your pans, games, anything that you need to get to, and it's easy reach. One more thing that we wanted to include in the new 2457 is lots of pantry space. So you got this nice big deep pantry that you can put all your food in, pots and pans. You have 2 areas for extra storage. So there is ample storage throughout this whole unit. One of the things you're going to notice in the bedroom of the 2457 is lots of windows. We really wanted to make sure we brought that outside adventure in as well, including our new Skyview front cap. So on a nice starry night, you can have this shade open. You can actually do true stargazing. You've got nice long windows on your door side here. So this area just feels nice and wide and open. It also includes a 60 by 80 residential queen bed. One of the things that put Northern Spirit on the map was our max bed storage. So this is a true residential queen that lifts up. You got a place to sit down, put your shoes on in the morning. You got extra drawer space for all those extra clothes that you need. We just took dead space and made something out of it. Lastly, I want to talk about the bathroom of the 2457. We wanted to add in some nice residential features to this as well. Nice double medicine cabinet. You have glass door shower, and also motion activated floor lights. So those late night trips, you come in here, you open the door, the floor lights come on, as well as an upgraded porcelain toilet. So you do get those residential amenities here in this camper. Thanks for joining me on the walk through the new 2457. If you want any more information on it, check out the Coachmen RV website or contact your local dealer.